Okay, so for the delete task, so we want this to be tappable. So I'm going to wrap this icon, or rather I'm going to wrap this entire container inside of a widget. I'm going to tap to place it inside of a gesture detector, and I'm going to implement the method that is triggered when we tap on here. And also going to do the same for this other widget. So I'm going to wrap it in another widget, and the widget itself is the gesture detector. Again, you can use an inkwell if you wish. So I'm going to add on tap here. Fantastic. So with that, I'm going to scroll at the top here. This functionality can be exported to another file, but just for simplicity, I'm just going to place it here. Inside this state class, I'm going to create a method void delete task. I'm going to pass string task ID, and inside it we need to get the user ID, because remember, when we're deleting it we need to get the user ID. So user ID is equals to ref.watch current user provider .uid, like that. So we are going to show dialog. This gives a context and a builder. So the builder context and returns what we want to return is an alert dialog. Fantastic. So let me put a semicolon over there. So the alert dialog first of all has a title. The title is a text that says, "Are you sure?" So, and it has a style, and the style is app styles dot title text style, like that. It has an icon. So icons dot delete. I'm going to give it a color size of 30, or maybe let me give it a bigger size like 60, and I'm going to give it a color of colors.red, like that. So it is a const icon, and I'm going to ensure that everything is aligned to the center. Also, I'm going to set the content. So the content for this is going to be a text that says tap to delete a task, like that. So I'm going to finally set the actions, and the actions that I'm going to set here are elevated buttons. So this one is going to be context.pop to pop it out, like that. And the child is text, which says cancel with a style of app styles.normal style, like that. So the other one is an elevated button as well, but says delete. So inside the on pressed, we are going to change this to a sync. Then we are going to await ref.read firestore controller provider.notifier.delete task, pass the user ID and the task ID, like that. So I'm going to pass this method to the delete container here. Let me just put it inside of the anonymous function, like that. So with that, we can be able to delete this. As you can see, when I tap on it, it should give me an alert dialog, tell me to delete the task or cancel.